Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Today's kit is going to be a recycle store grab bag. And all of these are the items, if you don't know what the recycle store items are, they are factory cutoffs. That they're the things that factories, they use other parts, and this is their leftovers. They donate them to a nonprofit in the city, and then they resell them to creative people. Now, this is kind of going to be my last recycle store kits for a while. Hopefully they're going to be getting a new building, but at this point in time, the building that they were in, they were given rent in the back, I think either real cheap or free because they were a nonprofit. But those people have sold the building. So they had to move all of their stuff out, but they said they are looking for a new place. So we might be able to still get this stuff. But this is stuff that I really didn't have enough to do like any number of kits that were all the same. And so I have boxes that I would just put it in the boxes. And then about once a year, I just do grab bags because I don't want to sort through into, all of the different boxes to say, oh yeah, I do have like 10 of these, so I could put 2 in each kit or whatever. So these things a lot of them are types of different like foam rubber and rubber, that type of thing that I like to make stamps out of. This one I see like a little geisha hairdo with a bow on each one here. I make a cute little doll with these, and they are sticky just on one side, but they also can be used. A lot of the ones that are sticky on one side, I put on cardboard, and I use them as stamps for different things. You can also cut them in different shapes and use them as stamps, like foam stamps. So, but there's a lot of things that are sticky on one side. There are some bits this is just like a heavy kind of foam, and it's not sticky on either side. And these are also little foam bits. I like to use these in little tiny jars, kind of as stoppers, not water stoppers, I wouldn't think. I've never tried putting liquid in the jars, but like glitter and that type of thing. I like to use these, and there are different size of these that are different sizes around, but and there's some little black ones, and so these are just they're just rubber. They're not sticky at all. This one is velvet, and it's sticky on the back. This is a nice thick piece of foam. When you have the thick pieces, they work nice for like forming your flowers and stuff. You put them on there and use your ball tool and roll on them. It gives you that softness to get some. Where's that? Okay, there's some tubes in here that you can use to make boho beads or any kind of things. There are these mesh bits that you can use for mixed media. I like to put them on paper towel rolls and use them as texture on paper. They work great on a jelly plate. These are sticky on both sides. This is double-sided sticky. And so see, the factories cut out that little circle, and that's what they use, and then the rest of this goes to the recycle store. But these are sticky on one side and not the other, and they can be actually like you could put those around a jar. And a lot of these stickinesses are very, very like solid because they're factory cutoffs. So, but some of them are made to be removed. So you never know what you're getting until you try it. These are little plastic bits. They're sticky where the white is, and kind of an thin acetate for the rest of it there. So those are really fun to play with. I kind of use them for little handles. There are these look like little hot air balloons, sticky on one side. There's lots of little bits down in here. These make really great label stamps to make your own labels. And things like this, if they're in a baggie, I will just take a few of them and put them in each of the 5 kits. The kits are not going to be exactly the same. These are double-sided sticky. These make really great little covers for journals. And these little round bits right here, I like to just press a line in them. And I put mica powder on this sticky side, stick that sticky side to my journal. But there's lots of different Market Mondays that kind of show you what I do with these. This is nice for texture. There's just all sorts of things in here. See, now this one is just a little rubber bit, but it was probably supposed to be round, and they accidentally cut off a piece of it, so it went to the recycle store. These are great for stamps. These are round like that. So there's just all different sorts of the recycle store items here. Some sticky on one side, some not at all, some sticky on both sides. And I'm going to fill up 5 bags. Here's one that I did last year. I think I wound up with 10 or 12 bags last year. I don't remember. And so this is what I do. I just fill a bubble mailer, and that is the grab bag. So the grab bags are $20. That includes the shipping. And if you are interested, send me an email. My email address will be below. And I will let you know if I have any left. It looks to me like I probably will get 5, maybe 6, because I also have that one there, which has in it whatever it has, which pretty much will be about the same as what you see here, only for the fact of, you know, it's the stuff that they have there. But see, these are double-sided circles, sticky on both sides. So there's just all sorts of things here. And if you're interested, just send me an email and I will let you know. Please pay promptly if you do get one of the kits so that I know that they're all gone once they're sold, or otherwise I can move to the next person on the list. So thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.